We have gathered here today to reflect on the life and legacy of one of the greatest sons of Bharat Mata and also Bharat Ratna, our Prime Minister, former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Garu. P.V. Narasimha Garu, I had a very good equation because we were all one state, from Telugu state at that time. I had a very good equation with him. I know him very well. He was a great statesman and also visionary. The Telugu community is proud of him. He was a true Telugu Bidda who reshaped the destiny of our great nation. Born in a humble family, that to farming family, he showed brilliance from a young age. He was a student leader, a freedom fighter, a scholar fluent in 17 languages. Now we are all talking, why should we learn Hindi? Not only he learned Hindi, he has learned 17 languages. That is how he has become a great man.